Welcome to the Cormant-CS installation walkthrough. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process of Cormant-CS DCIM in a standalone environment. We'll visualize the detailed steps found in our comprehensive installation guide to help you get up and running smoothly. A standalone setup is the most basic and easiest way to install Cormant-CS. The Cormant-CS application, IIS, and a database instance are installed on one server. We will cover adding the web server role, installing Microsoft SQL Express, installing the Cormant-CS server and web components, and restoring a demo database for initial configuration. This guide will not cover the following. We also have separate dedicated videos for setting up Microsoft Entra ID and for configuring the Cormant-CS offline app, so be sure to check those out.
Before we begin, you will need your Cormant-CS license file, product code, and serial number.
If you don't have this, please contact our support team. You will also need Windows administrator rights while working on the server. Server setup. Let's start by preparing our server. Cormant-CS requires the .NET Framework 4.8, which is pre-installed on Windows Server 2019 and later. Our first step is to install the IIS Web Server Role. From Server Manager, open the Add Roles and Features wizard. It's crucial to install specific features. Please pause the video here to match your selections to the ones on screen, which are detailed in our installation guide. The IIS URL rewrite module. Next, go to the Microsoft website. Then we need to download and install the IIS URL rewrite module. Run the installer. And once finished, you can confirm it by finding the URL rewrite icon in your IIS manager. Let's bind the SSL Certificate. Launch IIS Manager. On the left pane, expand the host name of the server, then expand Sites. Click Default Website. On the left pane, click Bindings. Add HTTPS binding. Select the appropriate certificate. Then click OK to save changes. SQL Server Express configuration. Open up your web browser and go to the Microsoft website to download SQL Express Edition. Microsoft SQL Server Express is a free, feature-rich edition of SQL Server that is ideal for learning, developing, powering desktop, web, and small server applications. This package contains Polybase and full-text search features in addition to SQL Database Engine. Once it's downloaded, locate the installer and follow the prompts to install. You can pause the video to match your selections on screen. Set your system admin account password. Cormant-CS installation.
Now that our server is prepared, we can begin the Cormant-CS installation. First, we'll install the Cormant-CS server. Navigate to the release folder and run the setup file. Proceed through the wizard, entering your unique product code and serial number. We'll keep the default components for this installation. When the database wizard appears, click Cancel for now. Also, do not start the business services yet. At the end of the installation, ensure the SQL Server 2012 SMO component is checked and installed. Next, install the web components. Go back to the release folder and run the setup file. Proceed through the wizard with the default settings to complete the installation.
Final configuration. Cormant-CS Database Wizard. Open the Cormant Database Wizard from the Start menu. Enter the name of your SQL Server instance. Select your authentication method and test the connection. The wizard will stop the services. Under Database Creation Options, we can select Load Demo Database. Click Next, and the wizard will configure and start the services. Now we need to change the default application pool user to an account that has access to the SQL Server. Open IIS Server Manager. In the left pane, expand the server's hostname, then click on Application Pools. In the application list, select CS Web and click Advanced Settings on the right pane. Under the Process Model section, select Identity, configure your service user, and click OK to save the changes. Repeat the process for CS REST API and CS Web API. IIS must be restarted after configuring the changes. And that's it. Your installation is complete. You can verify this by opening a web browser and navigating to your Cormant-CS web portal. A password change is required for the user's initial configuration. Please follow the prompt. That wraps up our Cormant-CS installation walkthrough. For the Entra ID and OSS setup guide, you can visit our YouTube channel flashed on the screen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos and resources.
Have questions or need support? We're here to help.